what is next. Let's do the mini mo.
There's only 2 left.
If you pick this one first, it's Paw Patrol again. If you pick this one first, Angry Bird. Let's do the Angry Bird because we already done one Paw Patrol, and then we can do the Angry Bird. Because we got 2 Paw Patrol, we saved the last Paw Patrol for last. Okay, guys? Can you talk anything, cameraman?
I'm looking at your Angry Bird. Surprise.
So hard to open.
Yeah, it's quite hard to open. Which kind of capsule you like? The really egg-shaped capsule or this kind of cylinder capsule? Oopsie.
I'm supposed to do it.
Candy?
Candy?
Yeah, you want a candy, kid?
I don't. Oh, it's still like the Marvels one again. Look. If you get all of these, then I got the Angry Bird one. So
What's that?
Yellow Bird. Where's my stickers? Oh yeah, it's right here. Oh, we got 3 stickers. The logo sticker.
Where's the Angry Bird? Where's the Angry Bird?
Here. Then we got the stickers. We got the logo, the green pig, Angry Bird, the red bird, and the yellow bird. We just got the yellow bird, and I just see something on the floor. So I'm gonna pick that up later. So bye, guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like and